In 2024, the Crown Signia will add a new dimension to the ongoing legend, bringing North American customers an elevated ride and premium quality in stylish crossover package. The Signia is on the same TNGA-K platform used for the sedan and is also built at Toyota's Tsutsumi factory in Aichi, Japan. It's only available in two trims. The XLE costs $44,985 and the Limited is $49,385. And there's only one powertrain. The Crown Signia shares a striking visual resemblance with the new Prius and Camry, drawing inspiration from Toyota's latest design philosophy. It has headlamps positioned below the bumper and thin LED DRLs up front. The SUV also features a distinctive grille design with a hammerhead nose style. It sports pronounced creases down the sides. The model looks like a full-size sedan due to its lower roofline, small overhangs, and sturdy fender extensions. Lastly, the Signia's stylish LED taillights are connected by an LED light bar at the back. Talking about the interiors, there is a 12.3-inch customizable digital display and another 12.3-inch screen on the dashboard for entertainment inside the cabin. The driver and passenger seats are 8-way electrically adjustable with just a push-of button. There's a slot for wireless charging in the middle and one can plug in 3 other things too. However, if you're in the back seat, you get 2 charging plugs, 2 places for drinks, 2 vents for air, and pockets on the back of the seats. The Crown also provides you with the facility of warming up or cooling down seats as per your choice. Fabric seat coverings are standard on the base XLE trim, but you can move to limited trim to replace that with leather. A standard hands-free power liftgate should make grocery trips a little easier to manage. Crown crossover features a McPherson front strut suspension with a multi-link arrangement controlling the rear wheels. The 2024 Toyota Crown Signia will come with a Toyota HEV system, standard. Powered by a 2.5-litre DOHC 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motor generators, this proven tech seamlessly delivers 243 combined system net horsepower and has a preliminary manufacturer estimated 36 combined miles per gallon rating. Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive also comes standard. A highly efficient system has a dedicated rear electric motor to deliver extra traction when needed and is capable of towing up to 2,700 pounds. Mazda Australia is preparing to take on the luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi with its all-new CX-60 that will arrive in the middle of 2023. The brand confirmed local pricing and specifications for its new luxury-focused SUV ahead of its arrival next year, confirming pricing will start at less than $60,000 but will stretch to almost $90,000. This puts it in direct competition against the likes of the Audi Q5, BMW X3 and Mercedes-Benz GLC class. Mazda calls the CX-60 the new flagship of the range. placing it above the larger CX-9 in the brand's hierarchy, despite it being only slightly larger than the CX-5. But the new model sits on an all-new platform that has been developed for a new lineup of premium-oriented models with new inline 6-cylinder engines, hybrid technology, and a rear-wheel biased all-wheel drive system. The 5-seat Mazda CX-60 measures in at 4,745mm long, 1,890mm wide, and 1,685mm tall, making it 170mm longer, 45mm wider, and 10mm taller than today's CX-5, and likely slotting it into the larger SUV category on the Australian sales charts. Mazda quotes 2,870mm between the wheel arches, 170mm more than the CX-5. There's now 570 liters of boot space, up from 438 liters in the CX-5, increasing to 1148 liters with the rear seats folded. There's also a larger cargo opening than before. 3 powertrain options are available for local buyers. Sitting at the base of the range is a 3.3-liter turbocharged petrol straight-six producing 280 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Mazda is also offering a second 3.3-liter straight-six, this time a turbo diesel, complete with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and delivering a combined 251 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. Sitting at the top of the range is a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder Skyactiv G engine, supplemented by a 134 horsepower and a 17.8 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, resulting in 323 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. All versions of the CX-60 will be fitted with Mazda's new 8-speed automatic transmission, which features a multi-plate clutch with an integrated electric motor generator in place of a torque converter, promising high efficiency and quick shifts. From market launch, the CX-60 will be all-wheel drive only. The CX-60 will be offered in Evolve, GT, and Azami trim levels with standard equipment across the range, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charging, a power tailgate, advanced keyless entry, and power folding heated exterior mirrors with auto dimming. Alloy wheel sizes will range from 18 to 20 inches, and the new rhodium white metallic color will be available across the range. Pricing for the CX-60 range begins at $59,800 for the Evolve Skyactiv G with a diesel, an extra $2,000, but the PHEV costing $10,500 more, priced at $72,300. The range tops out at a very premium $87,752 for the high-grade Azami with PHEV powertrain.